Well, the Paris Olympics is over. We have to wait for the Paralympics to start and wait for Vinesh Phogat's result also. So why not spend some time roaming around the city of Paris, the beautiful city, and we are here today at the Notre Dame Cathedral.
Absolutely, what a beautiful structure! It's a beautiful piece of Gothic architecture.
French Gothic architecture.
French Gothic architecture. Unfortunately, some of the parts and some of the art inside has been damaged in the fire that happened on 15th April 2019. The fire broke out and it was half a day of fire. But good news is, Rohan, most of the work of art could be saved.
Yeah.
So,
and there is a gallery made where the spectators, not spectators, but the tourists.
yeah, we are still in Paris Olympic mode.
So the tourists can see and click pictures. It's
right behind us.
It's a really old and ancient building. I'm really excited to roam around and see. 1163 the construction started, and 1345 it's open for the public.
Yes, it was constructed for over two centuries.
Years.
Yeah, absolutely.
So 1345. Now it's 2024. My
Yeah.
God. So let's go and roam around the Paris Notre Dame Cathedral. There is one in Reims also.
Yes.
We'll go there also.
Yeah. These are the pictures of some of the famous architects. See, Pascal Larsonneur, chief sculptor, head sculptor. Pascal Prunet, head architect for historic monuments.
They should have written something in English also.
Yeah, they have stonemasons.
Oh yeah.
I think these are the ones who are working on right now, or what?
I think so.
Because
Yes, artists of the new
liturgical furniture.
liturgical
Yes,
furniture.
yes.
Sculptures. Nice.
Scaffolding works manager for the spire, roofs, and low walls. Fire safety project manager, of course. Sorry. So this is the statue is known as Charlemagne, and it is of scepter of Charles V, who is guided by Oliver, who guides his horse, and by Roland, both looking out for potential enemies on the sides. So they are Roland, and that's scepter of 5, and that's the horse. They are basically guarding the Notre Dame. Yes, absolutely. Charlemagne et
So that was a wrap for a small trip to Notre Dame. We couldn't get inside because the construction works are still on. So, final comments on Notre Dame, Paris?
Well, it's beautiful. You know, the wind in my hair, and I'm hungry, so we need to eat as well. But then it's a beautiful place. It's peaceful. It's at the same time, you know, there is a bit of beauty, old beauty in this. Like, you know, you can understand the structures are old. I think the right way to start our day.